How to fix WhatsApp not showing contact names. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimu from the solution guide. In this guide video, I will show you the way on how you can fix if WhatsApp is not showing any type of contact names. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, to make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now, first of all, if WhatsApp is not showing up contact name, that could be due to a couple of reasons. So first of all, we'll just verify one thing, that is to open settings, and then we will go to the option called apps. Once we go to apps, on the list of these applications, just go ahead and then look for WhatsApp. So select WhatsApp and go to the option called permissions. And over here, select contacts and make sure that the contacts permission is set to allow, because when WhatsApp do not have a contacts permission, it will not be able to load you the contact names and so on. Come back, and you might also want to clear the cache files. So go to storage and clear the cache files just in case. Once you've done that, open up WhatsApp and see if that fixes the issue. If not, then let's say that some person don't have their contacts name showing up. That is because, let's say this person is simply not added up in our contacts. So that is one of the reasons why. Other reason could be that you have blocked them. For example, you can say this contact. If I go to the option called their profile name over here, and if I go ahead and select that block option, and if I block them, now basically what this does is that it is going to remove the contact name and it will only keep the default number. So in order to fix that, just tap on the three dots, go to settings and go to privacy over here, scroll down and select block contacts, and simply make sure that you have unblocked them, because when they are blocked, then you'll simply not be able to see the contact's name. And hopefully one of these would have helped solve your problem. If it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.